unicorny AF makeup tutorial that has a lot of glow to it, which I am obsessed with. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And yeah, go with the video.
Look, I'm focusing on three main colors: blue, purple, and pink. Taking a turquoise and putting it in the inner part of my lid, just the inner half. Then I'm putting purple on the outer half, parallel to each other, just like the blue. To clean up my lid and give it kind of a base, I am taking the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in White Out, applying it all over just my lid. Then I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette in the shade New Money, and this is just a really hot electric pink, and I'm putting it all over my lid and a little bit in my inner corner, but not too much because I want the blue to mainly focus in the inner corner. Now I'm taking some eyeliner and just winging it out. This is the L'Oreal Super Slim Liner. I love this eyeliner, by the way. Love it. This NYX Duochromatic highlighter has to be magic. I mean, it can turn any color into a shimmery highlight. Like, you can see how much I love it. Anyway, I'm taking some on my ring finger and putting it in the inner corner, and voila! Do you see that? Yeah, shook. I'm shook. Taking the Cover FX Custom Drops, I am putting it as a primer, which all the Instagram models do, so I, of course, had to do it. And I'm blending it with my Beauty Blender until I look like the Bronze Tin Man. Very cute. I know. Trust me, I know. Now for foundation, of course, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Foundation. This has become a favorite of mine, so yeah, just taking it, using it, you know the drill. Concealer, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. Made sure not to hold it upside down like the foundation. And just putting it in the normal spots. I don't know why I try with voiceovers, because you already know what I do. You know what I do. Now I'm taking some powder and... Did that really happen? Okay. And I'm just setting my foundation and concealer with it. Now here's the trick with cream contouring / liquid contouring / any kind of contouring. If you want your product to get all foundation-y, use it before powder. I personally like to use it after powder, even though it's considered wrong. But I blend out my cream contour, and it's Ossia Stick Foundation in Chestnut, by the way. And I just take a bronzer. This is the Morphe Bronzing / Contouring Palette. Even though bronzer and contour are the same thing, it's both in the palette. So I'm taking a bronzer shade and blending out my contour with that. And then I'm bronzing up my forehead and contouring my nose. But I contour my nose off camera, obviously, because it takes me forever. Alright, anyway, now going into the NYX Triple Genius palette, I'm highlighting only my nose with this. Only my nose and Cupid's bow. Yep, that's it. Now for the face highlight, I'm starting off with taking a blush, and then I'm taking a blue cream body paint, because I couldn't find an eyeshadow pan big enough. The shade Periwinkle from the Kylie Cosmetics Purple Palette, which is honestly just a shimmery, lavender shade, and it's not periwinkle, but anyway, I'm taking those three shades and lining them up and blending them through each other so it kind of gives a weird ombre effect. And now, taking the NYX Duochromatic highlighter, I'm making the magic happen. Oh, it's blinding highlight. Love it! For lips, I'm taking some Bonne Bell lipstick. This is just a random one I got on clearance. It's metallic, so it's perfect for the look, and it's pink. You know how many pink lipsticks I have. Well, I don't even, but you know what I mean. Now taking the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, I'm setting my makeup, and there you go.
Watching. I'm obsessed with this glow. NYX, you know your stuff. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!